राधे 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 बोलना मन का क्या कहता राधे 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 बोलना. Jai Hind, I am Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to complete the Unit 9 and the name of the unit is Electronic Spreadsheet. This is the video for class 9th IT. So first of all, we'll go through the syllabus. What are in the syllabus we will study in the chapters. First is starting Microsoft Excel 2000. First of all, in this topic we learn how to open and start MS Excel. And the next syllabus point is MS Excel interface. Here we'll understand the layout, ribbon, tabs, cell, columns, rows, and formula bars. In the third point, creating workbook, entering, editing, and deleting data in a worksheet. Here, how to create a new workbook and enter the text number and edit or delete contents in the cells. Now, in the fourth points, it would be saving, closing, opening workbook, and exiting existing MS Excel. So here we'll step to save the work and reopen files, close Excel properly. And the fifth is selecting cells, column, rows, and worksheet and Excel worksheet. And here the method to select specific cells, column, rows, and entire worksheet. Here now next topic is using cut, copy, paste. Here we learn move and duplicate data using these basic tools. And now next is managing worksheet. Here what we study here renaming, move, delete, or add new worksheet within a workbook. And now the next is inserting, deleting, and adjusting rows and column. Here we'll go through the modifying the structure of worksheet by adding, removing, or resizing the columns and row. So in the next point it would be the merging cells and deleting date and printing worksheet. In this topic we'll study about the combined cells into one and add current date and printing your worksheet properly. And the next point would be formatting cells in this Excel cells content. Here change the appearance like bold, italic, font size, and color and alignment of the content. Now next it would be formatting numbers and date. Here we'll go through the customize how numbers and date are appears in the cells. Now in the next point it would be the basic calculation in Excel. These are important. Here you will use the some simple formula, use of simple formulas for arithmetic calculation. Now it will useful formulas in MS Excel. See how to functions like sum, average, mean, max value will find out through the formula. Now next would be the create, modify formula charts. Here it would represent the data using the different type of chart like bar, graph, or line chart, or pie chart. This would be the basic difference. Now come to the point. We will discuss here each one by point wise and session breakdown. So first up question arises, why do we study the electronic spreadsheet? It is because it is easy to work with numbers and do calculation, and so how result is neat and organized way. They are useful in school, offices, and business purposes. Now come to the introduction. Introduction point is the electronic spreadsheet is a software used to store, organize, and calculate data easily. The most popular spreadsheet software is MS Excel. So here we'll go through the Excel 2010. So what here in starting, the Excel is a spreadsheet software from Microsoft. See, Excel is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and to open it simply we could click on start menu after the all programs and MS Office, Microsoft Office. Then we'll select from there Excel 2010, and after that you will see a blank sheet with cells called a worksheet. It would be the cells and column would be here, which is known as worksheet. Now in the second session, here it is Excel interface. The workbook, a file contains one or more worksheet, that is called workbook. Remember, this is important question may ask, what is the difference between workbook and worksheet? Workbook is what? It contains more than one sheet, that is workbook, and worksheet is a single page inside the workbook where data is entered. Simply it is a worksheet is a current workbook where the data is entered. Now ribbon, it contains the tab like home, insert, page layout, etc. We'll go through the what is page layout, insert, form, we'll study here. So first off, should understand what is ribbon. Ribbon is generally, it contains the form, insert this one. Now the cell, a small box where data is entered, that is called cells, and each cells has an address like A1, B2, B3, these like that, it have the address. Now next is rows and column. Rows are horizontal, means 1 2 3 it would be, and columns are vertical. So remember it, rows and columns, point is here. Now next, in the session number 3, the creating workbook, entering, editing and deleting data. To creating a workbook, click on file, new, blank workbook, it would be there. After that, entering data, click on cells and type, entering on cells and type, कहाँ का है ये? Entering data, click on cells and types. Now entering data, double click a cells to change, and selecting cells and press the delete key to delete the data. Simply it is, remember here, to create a workbook, simply we open the file. After that, new and blank workbook would be opened, and to enter the data, simple click on particular cells and type whatever you want to enter the data. Now edit data means simply double click on a cell where we want to change the data contents, and into delete, to simply select the cells and press delete button, then the data of the particular cell would delete. Now in the session number 4, in session number 4 we are going to study about saving, closing, opening and exiting the Excel. Simple saving means to save the data, closing means simply close the particular files, and the opening means simply opening the existing file, and exiting means simply go out from the current data. Now next is save file. To save file, simple we save, or simple press Ctrl plus S. To open the file, simply we go to the file, open and select the particular file which we want to open. Now next is close, simply we'll go on file, then it would be the close option, then click on close, it would close. And existing file, click on exit, and button on the top of the corner, means in the right side of the corners here you can see, we'll click here, so it would automatically exit from the particular data, particular worksheet. Now selecting cells, columns and worksheet. Here what we are studying, how to select the particular cells, columns and row and worksheet. Simple click and drag to select multiple cells. Now next it would be click on column letter to select the whole columns, and click on rows number to select the entire rows, and click on worksheet, that is the bottom, to switch the sheets. Now in the session number 6, in the session number 6 is using cut copy paste. Simply cut copy paste is used to, cut is used to move the data entirely from the original place, and copy is to keep the data on original place, and where we want to put the data, paste the data, means data would be on the both place, and paste means simply adding the cut data. Now in the cut option, we can simply, the shortcut key is Ctrl X, it would be move the data from place to another place. In the cut option, one place to another, data is moved from one place to another place. In the copy, it is used to make the duplicate of a data, whatever data is, whatever content would be there, it would make the duplicate of that one. In shortcut is Ctrl C. And the paste means paste the cut copies data in new cells, that is the shortcut keys is Ctrl plus V. Now the session number 7, in the session number 7 it is managing worksheet. Here in the managing worksheet, what we study, rename the sheet, insert the sheet, delete the sheet and move or copy the sheet. In the renaming the sheet, simple we'll right click on tab rename. After that we can keep the name, change the name of that particular sheet. Now in the insert, click on tab and insert the, right click on tab, then after that we'll insert the particular whatever sheet we want to insert. Now the delete, right click on tab and simply click on delete. Now next it is moving and copy, right click and move or copy, both would be the same. Now the next in session number 8, session number 8 is inserting, deleting and adjusting rows and column. See, inserting, right click on the rows and column and then insert, and the deleting, right click then delete the data, and resizing, drag border of the cell or column header, it would resize. Now session number 9, it merging cells, inserting date and printing worksheet. Here merging means to combine the multiple cells. Here we'll click on combine multiple cell, select and home, merge the cell at center simply. Now the next is insert date. Simply ctrl plus or type manually, we can type the manually to insert the date in a particular columns. Now is printing sheets. Simply go on file, after that print, and set the print page option, and we'll take the print of that particular sheet. Now formatting cells, excel cell content. See here what we do here. Here change the font size, colors, style in the bold, italic or underline. So here it would be, and the alignment text means simple we can keep the text either in left, center or right. So this is the alignment text. And the fill the colors in a cell. In the formatting cell we can put the particular color. Now use home tab for all formatting options. Now in the session number 11, here it is formatting number and date. See what we will do here. Select the cells, right click and format the cells. After that, if you want to choose the number tabs and select the formats. In the formats we can keep what? The currency, percentage, date and time, etc. On the next session number 12. In the session number 12 it is basic calculation in Excel. This is the basic point. See what we do. We use the equal to formula to start any formulas. See simply if we want to do addition, so first of all what we do, we start with equal to, then we write the sum. After that whatever the column we want to add, then we put the column name. Simply example is here, equal to a1 plus b2, adds value from the cell a1 and b2 and it would give you the particular output. So use for this symbol is used for addition, subtraction, this is for multiplication, and this symbol is for division. Now session number 13. In the session number 13, useful function is MS Excel. See what are the useful functions are here. Means sum here a1 to a5. Simply it would add the value from a1 to a5, and the average means a1 to a5. Simply it would give you the particular average of that sales. Now next will be max a1 to a5. It would give you the maximum value of the data entered in a1 to a5. Simply it would give the largest value as it is here. And mean a1 to a5, here it would give the minimum value between the range a1 to a5. Now session number 14. In the session number 14, this is the last point I think. So what we do is creating, modifying and formatting chart. What we do here, select the data, insert tab and choose the particular chart type like bar, line and pie chart. So here what modify chart means to add the title, legends, labels. In the formatting chart means change the colors, style and layout. Now we'll go through the complete summary of the chapters. Complete summary of the chapter is that it would be quick revision for quick revision purpose. Electronic spreadsheets are powerful tools for organizing data, performing calculation and visualizing the data through the charts. So MS Excel is widely used in where school, business and offices. Already told you. Now the next is important points what you should learn, keep in mind. MS Excel interface, it has rows and column and cells. Each cells is used to enter the number, data and formulas. Now workbook and worksheet. Workbook contains more than one more worksheet, and worksheet is widely are used to enter the data an organized way. And now is it basic features of, we can create and edit, delete and save data, and we can cut, copy, paste the information here. And the working with cells here, one and multiple columns and rows and columns are here. Now we can also insert and delete and adjust the rows and columns here. Now formatting means we can change the look of text, numbers and dates. An example is bold, color, size and etc. format. Now calculation for formula, it helps to do a quick calculation here. And formula is like I've already showed you, to equal to, it will start would be the equal to symbol, and we keep the formula name at sum and range a1 to a5. Now functions in Excel. What are the functions in Excel? Many built-in functions are here. See here, built-in function means it function is already defined in the library of Excel. So here it is sum, it would give the addition of numbers. average, it would give the average of the particular data in the range, and maximum, minimum and maximum, it is the find to smallest and largest value in the particular cells. And the chart, in the chart graph, the data can be shown as a chart with bar chart, pie chart or line chart. Simply in the chart it would give you the data in the form of chart. It is easy, it would be easy to understand and better to enter the data I've written here. Now at the last conclusion of the chapters is electronic spreadsheets make easy to work with numbers, do calculation and so result in neat and organized way. They are used in school, office and businesses, etc. If you have any confusion or you want to ask anything or you want to detail study of any particular topic, you can give in the comment box. I would be happy to help you with this. In Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.